Chevron. To the world, it's a symbol of big oil, massive rigs, global pipelines, and billions of barrels of crude. But if you look at the Chevron stock movement today, you aren't just looking at the price of oil, you are looking at the price of intelligence. In 2026, the blueprint of energy has been rewritten. While the world was focused on tech companies building chatbots, Chevron was quietly building a neural network that spans the globe. We are witnessing a silent merger between silicon and oil. Today, we decode the hidden driver behind Chevron's latest surge. Welcome to Blueprint Insights. Today, we reveal how AI is transforming Chevron from an energy giant into a tech powerhouse, and what it means for your portfolio. The algorithmic prospector. Why is the market suddenly so bullish on CVX? It starts miles beneath the Earth's surface. In the old blueprint, finding new oil was a multi-billion-dollar gamble. Today, Chevron is using generative AI to analyze seismic data at a resolution human geologists could only dream of. By processing petabytes of historical drilling data, their AI can predict the success of a new well with 90% accuracy. This isn't just about finding energy, it's about ruthless capital efficiency. For every dollar Chevron spends on exploration, AI is doubling the return. The stock isn't just rising because of oil prices, it's rising because the cost of discovery has been shattered by code. Predictive maintenance and the $100 trillion grid. But the real profit is in the optimization. Chevron operates some of the most complex machinery on the planet. A single hour of downtime on an offshore rig costs millions. Enter predictive orchestration. Chevron has deployed thousands of AI-enabled sensors across its infrastructure. These sensors detect microscopic vibrations and temperature shifts, allowing the AI to predict a mechanical failure months before it happens. This digital twin strategy has slashed operational costs by 30%. In the $100 trillion economy, Chevron is no longer just a commodity player, it is an efficiency leader. The stock market is rewarding Chevron for becoming the most automated energy company in history. The AI data center synergy. There is a deeper secret to the Chevron stock trend, the AI power hunger. As we've discussed, big tech is desperate for energy to power their massive AI data centers. Chevron has realized that its future isn't just in gasoline, but in base load power. They are investing billions into AI-driven carbon capture and small modular nuclear reactors to provide the clean, 24/7 energy that Microsoft, Amazon, and Google need to survive. Chevron is positioning itself as the battery for the AI revolution. Investors are starting to see Chevron not as a dying fossil fuel company, but as the essential infrastructure for the digital age. The blueprint of energy and intelligence has finally merged. The surge in Chevron stock is a signal. The physical world is fighting back with digital tools. 2026 is the year old money used new tech to reclaim the throne. At Blueprint Insights, we track the shifts that redefine wealth so you stay ahead of the curve. Chevron has found its digital soul. The question is your portfolio ready for the silicon oil rush? If you want to master the future of stocks, technology, and global business, subscribe to Blueprint Insights. The future is fueled by data. Thank you for watching.